I decided to shoot a year in review, and I wanted to talk about what I am planning on doing next year, or the one coming up. So, number one, Happy New Year's to everyone. I just want to say I had a great year. I appreciate everybody that was working alongside me by watching my videos and commenting and all that good stuff. This year was good in the sense that got some stuff accomplished. It was bad in the sense that I lost my father-in-law. So, on the good side, I finished the loot-filled Focus. I got a bunch of work done on the old truck that I traded in. Good thing I got a new truck. Bought my wife and daughter new cars. Went on some vacation. We did a lot of good stuff this year. And with that being said, I'm really looking forward to next year. Some of the things I'd like to do next year is, well, I've got parts ordered for the 97 F250 for the front end. So hopefully I'll be making some videos on that. I have got the new truck, so I plan on, there's a couple other accessories I want to put on it that I haven't had a chance to yet. Nothing like lifting it 200 feet or anything like that. There's a couple things that I want to do, so I'll be shooting video of that. Might do a couple things to my wife's 2017 Fusion Sport. I think I'm going to put a catch can on there for the oil, since it's direct injection, so that'll be one thing to do. I want to try and get that 460 built for the station wagon, and I want to get some work done on the Torino so I can drive it a little bit more, because I sure haven't been driving it very much. So, with all that said, I want to do all that. But the other thing that I'm really happy about for this year, looking forward to next, is the fact that I want to do better on video and audio quality for my videos. So I have a separate microphone being ordered, or it's ordered and on the way, so that when I do my videos you can hear me a little bit better. The second thing is, and I'll show you a clip of that pretty quick here, but my wife and daughter, who support me in my little habit here, went and bought me a Canon G7X Mark II, which is what I'm shooting on right now. So hopefully you can see the difference right now. I'm going to try and increase the quality of the audio in the video, and I'm going to get a different editing software. So I just want to up the game a little bit. I mean, I'm not a professional. I do this for fun. It gives me something to do on weekends and at night, because I'm going to be doing the work anyway, so might as well add something to it. And back to what I was saying about my family, here's what they got me for Christmas. So they went and they got me a PowerShot G7X Mark II. So I will be using that. And then finally, the other thing I want to do is I'm going to try and get a different editing software, because to this point I've been using Microsoft Movies, which isn't supported anymore, but it's easy to use, and easy is good. So I'm gonna really be working on that. So if any of you guys have any comments or suggestions for a new editing software that's not that hard, but I can use it to integrate separate audio lines and stuff like that, please put it in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. So in final, I just want to say thanks again for everybody that's watched. I really appreciate it. It makes me very thankful and grateful for everybody that's watched. And I really look forward to next year. So please stick around. Please like. Please subscribe. Please press that button with the bell, and share the heck out of this stuff if you could. I really appreciate it. And again, thanks for watching. Have a happy New Year.